Here's I'll show you two different ways to make dotted halftone pattern effect in Photoshop. Open your photo and unlock your photo layer. Right click on your photo layer and click on convert to a smart object. And after that, make sure to select the layer and go to filter, hover over on pixelate and click on color halftone. Click on radius box and here you can adjust this radius. I'm just giving 50 pixels and channel 1, channel 2, 3, 4 I'm giving 45 value and clicking on OK. And here we can see the dotted halftone pattern added. Now to change your dot size, double click on this color halftone and here you can go ahead and change your dot size just like this. And if you want to add a color to your dotted halftone pattern, then go to layer, hover over on new adjustment layer, select gradient map, click on OK, click on color, click on this first color box, and now you can go ahead and select a different color just like this and click here to add your second color just like this. Click on OK. And here's the second method to make dotted halftone pattern. So after unlocking and making the layer smart object, go to filter. This time just click on filter gallery. In here, zoom out your project first of all. And here expand sketch and here select halftone pattern. Now you can change your halftone pattern size just like this. You can also adjust contrast just like this. And here pattern type must select dot and then just click on OK. And that's how you can actually do it.